So now that I can easily reach the engine room, I gonna sand everything down to bare metal and degrease everything because there's a lot of oil. And after degreasing, I will start with sanding, also with my wire brush. And if it's too rusty or I can't reach it, I will take my sandblaster. But I want to use it as mine as possible because it's a very dirty job to clean it up. Also, I want to take some pictures of my stickers so I can order new ones. And I want to show you also from the fabric, they are not really straight. Okay, let's jump right into it now. After the sandblasting. I have to sandblast a little bit more, like these places, and this spot, and also on top, and bend these up so I can do the other side. The first idea, guys, was to just take it to bare metal in the engine bay, because I thought I didn't have enough time so I can paint it today, but I go faster, so I will take also this one with it, also the inside of this, take it to bare metal and also sandblast it. It's completely sandblasted. I'm gonna show you the inside. Everything is clean now. Also, I had to do the underside of this one. It was also rusty. I did it from this side. So I'm gonna have to paint from here also with the epoxy. And what I like to do for the last time is go over it with the Scotch-Brite and sandpaper. It's 240 here. Just to check everything. So you go much closer. You see in the corners there's still paint, and so you can go over the whole nose to check everything. The next thing will be cleaning up the sand, blow it off so I can prepare it for the epoxy. Just to show you how much there's laying here, you see. I'm gonna blow it off, put it in the next room, clean everything, and I will be back. So the room is cleaned. I have blow off the car outside. Maybe you're thinking why you don't sandblast outside. I'm living in the city, so I can do this for my neighbors. For just a little bit dust, this is no problem. So I'm gonna blow it off for a last time here. So every corner is good for the paint. So let's do this. And the next thing I like to use is tonic. It's a rust converter. So it's a white milk. I'm gonna show you how it works. Here is a good example how I use the rust converted milk. And when I zoom in, you see there's minus rust. I take a little pencil, take some milk, and because it's very liquid, it goes deeper. When it's black, it's dry, and I can paint it in epoxy. And just to show you guys, what you also can do is take a blower, blow it a little bit deeper. It's dry now, the rust converted milk. I'm gonna blow everything again off, degrease it and tape it off there, maybe a little one there, and make it ready.